Hola amigos, it's Pav from Hecho En Mexico. I'm the director here.
Hola, it's Minak. I'm the director as well in Hecho En Mexico. Salud. We both used to work in a Mexican chain long time ago. We just realized how much Australians love Mexican food, the passion for Mexican food as well, and how vibrant it is, how colorful it is. And that's when we decided that we want to do something on our own. With food, we do fresh guac every day. We are very popular with enchiladas, tacos and birria tacos, which we just started recently, and we've been killing it with that.
We started Uber Eats at the Fitzroy store 2016. It was a big hit. Like when we opened new stores in the new area, they already got established driver systems and Uber's marketing is there. So with Uber, we see really good results.
We were able to reach to the market which we were not able to reach earlier. So that means whenever we open a new restaurant anywhere, they've actually tried our food through Uber Eats. So now they want to actually come and dine in with us as well. So it definitely did help us. We've seen a massive growth in buy one get one free, and also another growth we've seen is if we do a free item. For example, people are ordering mains and we'll just chuck in, spend 30, you get a free churros or something. So that way they actually get to try the churros as well, a dessert, and which next time they might order. These are the two main ones that work well for us. So I think investing into Uber Eats has been a really good idea, and we recommend everyone doing it.